Hi there, I'm Cast Iron Katie, and in this super short video I'm going to show you how to make a streusel topping for pastries or muffins or coffee cakes, just whatever you're baking that needs a little bit of dressing up. We'll start with a half cup flour, half cup sugar, half cup brown sugar. It's easy enough to remember. Teaspoon and a half of cinnamon and half teaspoon nutmeg, half teaspoon coriander. Play around with your spices, see what you can come up with. I thought about throwing in some ginger. See whatever coordinates with the dish you're putting it on. So we'll mix this up. Then we will add a half cup of cold butter. It has to be cold, cut into bits. Okay, this topping can be kept in the refrigerator for up to 3 days before using it. So if you got a little bit of time and know you're going to make a cake, need a little extra oomph to it, just make it ahead of time. That's going to be fantastic.